The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is an upcoming flagship smartphone expected to launch between May and June 2025. It is anticipated to feature a 6.8-inch display with a resolution of 2844 by 1280 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the device may be powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin 9020 chipset, built on a 7nm process, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. A major highlight is its rumored triple-camera setup, comprising a 50MP main sensor with a 1-inch size and variable aperture, a 50MP telephoto lens offering 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens. The phone is also expected to include a 5,200 mAh battery, supporting 100W wired and 80W wireless charging. Other features likely include IP68, rated water and dust resistance, an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor, and Huawei's Harmony OS with EMUI UI. As always with pre-release details, these specs are based on early reports and may change when the device is officially unveiled.